You use your smartphone every day, but I guarantee what I'm about to show you will change how you see your phone. It can make your life safer, easier, and more independent. Stay with me through all 10, because number 10 might be the most important.
What is it?
I'll tap right here.
Wow, that's wonderful.
It is. We can use this.
Love it.
This is a test message. The voice recognition is really
You can send
accurate.
text messages without typing a single letter. It's called voice to text. Tap the
We can send
microphone
this
icon
message
on your
using
keyboard.
only my voice.
Speak your message
I
naturally.
make no errors.
Your
This
phone
is
types it
truly
for you.
incredible.
Done in 10 seconds. No typing at all.
Hi, Lucas. I hope you're doing well. I miss you.
Ugh, these tiny letters are impossible.
Your smartphone is a powerful magnifying glass.
That's better.
Struggling to read tiny print on a medicine bottle or menu? Open your camera app. Point it at the small
There we go.
text.
Fettuccine looks wonderful.
Pinch to zoom in,
It does.
clear, and easy to read.
I'm ready
On
to order.
iPhone, go to Settings, Accessibility, Magnifier to turn it on. Your phone has an incredibly bright, built-in flashlight. No more searching in the dark. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right and tap the flashlight icon. On Android, swipe down from the top. It turns on instantly, always with you. Your phone can read QR codes instantly. Those black and white square patterns on menus, boxes, and receipts. Open your camera app. Point it at the QR code. Hold steady for 2 seconds. Your phone takes you straight to the right page. No typing needed. Your phone can translate any language using your camera. Point it at Spanish, French, Arabic, or Chinese text. See the translation on your screen in real time. Google Translate is completely free. Read any sign or menu anywhere in the world.
Let's check my heart rate.
Your smartphone can track your heart rate and health.
Very good.
It monitors your steps and sleep. Apple Health and Samsung Health are free. Apps can alert you if something seems unusual. A health monitor always in your pocket. Completely free.
See here, Harold? This is the fall detection setting. Yes, I see. How does it
This
work?
feature could
It uses
literally
sensors to
save your
detect
life.
fall and can call for help.
Newer phones
Good.
have fall
That's very
detection.
reassuring. It's on now.
If you fall and don't respond, your phone automatically calls emergency services. It sends your location to your emergency contacts. On iPhone, go to Settings, Emergency SOS, and turn it on.
Now you're my emergency
Add your
contact.
emergency contacts today.
I'll be there if you need me. Hey Siri, call David.
Calling
Your
David.
phone has a voice
Hello,
assistant
Harold.
that does almost
Hi,
anything
it works
hands-free.
perfectly.
Say, "Hey Siri," or "Hey Google." Call David.
Google, remind me to
Set a
take my
timer for
medication
30
at 2
minutes.
p.m.
Remind me
Reminder set
to
for
take
2
my
p.m.
medication at 8 a.m. No typing, no touching.
Hey Siri,
Perfect for
what's the weather
anyone
like
with
today?
arthritis
Today is 15
or
degrees
difficulty
Celsius
with
with
small
clear skies.
buttons.
Clear skies, 15 degrees. That's perfect. Just like that. It's so simple. Hello, how are you today?
Your phone displays live captions for
That's
everything:
good to hear.
videos,
Yes,
phone
life is
calls,
surprising.
voice messages,
It's awesome.
all in real time.
Hello,
Life
dear.
changing
How are
for
you feeling
anyone with
today?
hearing
Much
difficulty.
better, thank you.
On
Medicine.
Android, go to Settings,
That's
Accessibility,
wonderful news. I was
Live Caption.
Don't be. I'm
On
feeling
iPhone,
stronger
go to
every day.
Settings, Accessibility,
John, how are you today?
Subtitles, and Captioning.
Hi, John. I'm doing
Never
well,
ask
thank you.
someone to repeat themselves again.
Thank you. How about yourself?
Very well. It's a lovely day.
Emergency SOS. If you're ever in danger, press the side button 5 times quickly. Your phone automatically calls 911 and sends your location to your emergency contacts.
I see. Let me try.
Works,
That's it. Hold
even
it
if
down
your
till it
phone
vibrates.
is locked,
This is very
even if you
important.
can't speak. Please set it up today.
All right, let's scan this.
Your phone can scan documents
Wow, that was
and save them as
instantly
PDF files.
incredible.
No
Perfect
scanner
digital
needed.
copy.
Open your camera or Notes app, point it at any document, a prescription, a bill, an insurance form, tap scan, a perfectly clear PDF in seconds. Email it to your doctor or family instantly. Your phone can remind you to take every medication at the exact right time. Open the Reminders or Clock app. Set an alarm for each medication. Name it blood pressure pill or vitamin D. You'll get an alert every
Harold,
day
look,
at the
all my
right time.
medication sets are right here.
Never miss a dose
Wow, Margaret,
again.
That's very impressive. It shows everything.
So easy. No more forgetting.
This is great. Technology makes it so simple.
Your phone can restore old blurry family photos. Apps like Google Photos and Remini sharpen old images.
Look, Margaret.
They remove red
nobody
eye,
felt restored.
bright and dark photos, and
It's
colorize
just
black
like
and white pictures.
And the way
Scan an old photo of your parents or grandparents. The result might bring you to tears. Your smartphone gives you access to thousands of free audiobooks and podcasts. The Libby app lets you borrow
Harold, look,
audiobooks
the
free
Libby app
from
has
your local
thousands of free
library.
audiobooks.
Thousands
Just
of
use your
videos.
library card.
Scroll and tap. It's all free.
Spotify and the
Oh, wow, my
podcast
favorite
app
author. I
offer
can't believe it's
thousands of
free.
free programs.
The sun rose over the
Enjoy
quiet
books
town,
again
casting long
without
shadows
straining
across
your
the world.
eyes.
He took a deep breath, feeling the fresh air fill his lungs. It was a perfect morning for a walk. Ah, successful payment.
Apple Pay
No
and
wallet
Google
fumbling
Pay
needed.
let you pay at
So
stores
effortless
by holding
and
your
quick.
phone near the terminal. No wallet, no fumbling with cash. It's actually more secure than a credit card. A unique code is used for every transaction. Send money to family instantly with Venmo or Zelle.
See this button? Tap it to start.
Okay, let me
Something
try.
beautiful happens
That's it,
when
you're doing
seniors
great.
discover these
I did
features.
it.
It
See?
starts real conversations
That was
with
fun.
grandchildren.
This is your great
Not about
grandfather's family.
screens,
See him there?
about life.
Wow, he looks just like you.
Technology
What's the story?
becomes a bridge
He was a
between
storyteller just like
generations.
you. I love tales.
Some of the deepest conversations happen because of a simple smartphone feature.
To me, reminds me of a story. Oh yeah? Go on. Back in the day, I called the operator. She became my wife. That's incredible.
Quick recap.
Wow, look at
1.
this. I can't
Voice
believe
to
what
text.
it's going to do.
2.
This
Magnifying
is
glass.
just incredible,
3.
isn't it? So much
Flashlight.
power in one
4.
little device.
QR code scanning.
Truly
5.
amazing.
Live translation.
Look,
6.
you can check the weather
Health
right
tracking.
here.
7.
That's
Fall
clever.
detection.
And see if
8.
the map shows
Voice
traffic.
assistant. 9.
Look,
Live
some
captions.
traffic.
10.
Wow.
Emergency SOS. Plus document scanning, medication reminders, photo restoration, audiobooks, and mobile payments. All on your phone today.
Hello, computer.
Here's your challenge. Pick just one thing you learned today. Try it right now before you put your phone down. Voice to
Let's
text.
test this magnifier.
Send a message to someone you love. Magnifier.
The text is
Find
large
something with
perfectly
small
clear now.
print and
This
zoom
solves the
in.
daily annoyances
Emergency
instantly. So
SOS.
practical.
Open settings and set it up. Just one.
Wow, Grandpa Earl,
Today.
you did it. I'm so proud of you. Let's celebrate. This is just the beginning. We'll talk more soon. I can't believe what this little thing can do. It's just incredible.
10 features and 5 bonuses. Your phone is not just a phone. It's a magnifying glass, a translator, a health monitor, a safety device, and a library. Subscribe to Tech After 60 and share this video with a senior who needs to hear this. See you next week.